Struggling to scale your cold email outreach? Watch this video to learn how to quickly add hundreds of leads to Instantly AI and start generating more opportunities. Let us dive in. Instantly AI is a powerful cold email software designed to automate and streamline your lead generation and sales outreach efforts. Check out the links in the description if you would like to try the tool yourself. You need to create an account before you can use Instantly AI. Let us first go to their website. Here you can see I'm on their website instantly.ai. You can get started for free. Instantly offers a 14-day free trial where you can try out Instantly's features, but you will need to purchase subscription plan to use it once the free trial period is over. Here is their pricing plan page. They have monthly and yearly subscriptions. These are the prices for yearly subscription. We have growth, hyper growth, light speed and enterprise types of subscriptions. And let us switch to monthly here. Here we can see we have 3 tiers of subscriptions: growth, hyper growth and light speed. Let us assume that you have a subscription plan and you are creating a new campaign. One of the steps in creating a campaign is to add leads to the campaign. I will show you how you can add leads in different ways. You need to have a lead list before adding them, or you can also use Instantly AI's lead finder. You need to log into your Instantly AI account. You can see here I am logged in. Let us start by creating an email campaign. In order to do that, click on this campaigns button on the left hand side. Then you will see if you have any existing campaigns here. Click on this blue add new button to create a new campaign. You can give any name to your campaign here. Let us name it as proposal demo. Then click on this continue button here. Now we can start adding leads. You can get started by clicking this add leads button here, or you can also use this add leads button. You will see this pop up once you click the add leads button. Here we can add leads in 4 different ways. You can use a CSV file, you can use lead finder, you can enter emails manually, or you can use Google Sheets. Let us look at each one of them. The first one is uploading a CSV file. Click on that one. Now you can click in this box to upload the CSV file. Navigate to the directory where you placed your leads file, select it and upload it. Here I'm having a small demo file. I'm uploading it here. Here it is showing you the file name, and then here it is saying file processed. Instantly automatically maps out columns for you. You can see here the columns are mapped. First name mapped to first name, last name mapped to last name. Title, we are not importing it. Company is mapped to company name, and email is mapped to email field. Make sure these columns are mapped properly. Scroll down. Instantly automatically checks for duplicates, as these boxes are checked by default. You can turn it off if you want to. Here we have an option to verify leads if they are not already verified. I have a separate video that shows you how you can verify the leads using MillionVerifier before you import the leads into Instantly AI. You can check the video description for the video link. Here it will show you the number of leads it found in the file. Our file contained just 2 leads. That's why it is showing 2 data rows here. Once you are ready, click on this upload all button. You will get this confirmation pop up saying are you sure. Click on this green upload button. The leads have been uploaded. Click on this leads option to see the list that has been uploaded. Here you can see the 2 leads have been uploaded. This time let us use the second method of adding leads, which is using Instantly's lead finder database. Let me click this add leads here. Let me click on this use lead finder option. You will need to apply filters to select your lead list from the lead finder. Let me click on this job titles. Let me click in this field is any off, and then select CEO from here. As you apply the filters here, you will see the results of how many records were found in this area. I want to also apply a location filter. I want to find CEOs in Houston, Texas. Now I have applied this locality filter. You can see now there are 6007 results. I will further apply filters to narrow down the result set. Let me click on this employees. Let us select 0 to 25. Then let me click on this revenue and then select this 10 million to 50 million. So now you can see 56 results are found. You can add all of them by clicking this square box here, or you can add select leads from this list. For this demo purpose, I will add only 1 lead. Let me select the first lead here. Then let me click on this add to campaign. Once you select the leads here, click on this add to campaign button. You will get a pop-up asking you to select the campaign. Click on this drop down box to select the campaign. We are adding it to proposal_demo. Select that one and then click this add to campaign button. It says leads added to the campaign and we can open campaign from here. Again, click on the leads button here. You see now that lead has been added here. Now click on add leads again. This time we will add emails manually. Click on this enter emails manually option. Here you can copy and paste your email list. I'm copying this email list, pasted it here. Then click on this import emails button. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Click on this upload button. It says contacts uploaded. All those emails will be added to your campaign. Click these leads again. Again click on this add leads button. Now let us select the last option, which is use Google Sheets. You will see this dialog box. You will need to paste the Google Sheet link here. But before that, you need to make the sheet publicly accessible. Let us see that. Here I have my Google Sheet and let me check the permission. Currently it is private. Let me try to copy this and see what happens. Pasted the link here. Then click the import button. You can see we get the error here, found 0 rows. Ensure that sheet is publicly accessible and has data. Let us go back to the sheet again and this time click on this share button. Click on this access button and then select anyone with the link. Now the access has been updated. Let us go back to instantly and then click this import button again. You see now the file is processed. Again, instantly automatically maps out the columns for you. Make sure the columns are mapped properly. Instantly automatically checks for duplicates as these boxes are checked by default. You can turn it off if you want to. It will show the number of leads here. Our demo file has just 2 leads. Hence it is showing 2 data rows. Once you are ready, click on the upload all button here. You will get confirmation pop-up. Then click on this upload button here. It says contacts uploaded. Your contacts in the Google Sheet will be uploaded. Click on this leads option again. You also have an option here to move the leads or delete the leads. You can select individual ones by checking this box. For example, let me select this one. And if I want to delete that one, I can just press this delete button. You will get a confirmation pop-up. Are you sure? Then click on this delete button. That lead will be deleted. You can also hover over this box and then select the ones on the page, or you can select everything by clicking this select all. Let me select the ones on the page, then click in this box. You can move those leads to a sub sequence or you can move those leads to another campaign. Now you know how to manage your leads inside Instantly AI. If you need help setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.